Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, before we jump into the video, let me just quickly ask you if you have, like me, had bad experiences with public toilets. I'm sure the answer is yes. I have had such terrible experiences when it comes to public toilets. You know what? The word infection instantly pops into our head when we talk about public toilets. Like me, I'm sure many of you girls out there have experienced infections, mostly UTIs, urinary tract infections, because of using public washrooms. So what's the solution, guys? Everteen has come up with their toilet seat sanitizer, which is an incredible product, and it's really helpful in preventing germs and infections from entering your body whenever you use public toilets. Now we are going to be discussing about this product, but before we do so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. Now, as I was telling you guys, public washrooms are like nightmares for us, and yeah, most of us have to use public toilets on a daily basis if we are working, if we are studying in college, in schools, if you're just heading out casually, or even traveling for that matter, in trains. All these things actually involve using public washrooms, and there is no other option but to use them. You have to answer your nature's call, right? Here comes the role of Everteen's Toilet Seat Sanitizer, which is really helpful, guys, because this actually prevents germs and infections which majorly comes from public toilet seats. I have had such bad experiences, guys. So this is a product that I always carry in my handbag when I'm running out the door. It has become my handbag staple. I think this is a very convenient packaging as well. If you can see, it comes in this simple classy bottle. The packaging is all white. When you open this up, it has got a spray. It has got 90 ml of the product, and for 90 ml you have to pay 180 rupees. It actually kills germs instantly. It helps prevent infections, and guys, it is dermatologically tested. It is safe, effective, and instant. The next question which might arise is how to use it. It's very simple. So whenever you want to use it, all you have to do is just shake the bottle and hold it upright and spray the affected area at an elbow length distance, and then you gotta wait for 5 seconds to allow the sanitizer to evaporate before using the toilet. Now this might seem a little tedious, but it is not. Trust me, guys. All you have to do is shake it and then spray it on the toilet seat, wait for 5 seconds, and yeah, you're good to go. And the best part is that it can not only sanitize toilet seat, but it can also sanitize the toilet cover, faucet, flush, anything and everything that you touch while using a public washrooms practically. So I think this is going to be a great help for all you people out there, because one has to go out of the door and be in office for work, be in school and college, and also if you're living in a hostel, then I think this is a must have for you guys, because I have had such terrible experiences with hostel washrooms and I had to bear it for like 2 years. Why did I not know about this product back then? I wish I had it, but the moment I found this and the moment I got to know about this, since then it has become a must have in my handbag. I do not leave the house without carrying this. So I think this is a must have. It's actually given me so much confidence for using public washroom. I'm so glad that I got it, and you guys know, if I find something and if I like it, I'm definitely going to suggest it. That's the beauty of having this channel. It is indeed your best line of defense against disease causing germs on toilet seats. Another thing, guys, the fragrance of this is very soothing and relaxing, guys. If you have been following my channel for some time now, then you would know that your girl cannot stand anything which has got a very strong smell to it, but this thing is really soothing. So not only it sanitizes, but it also kind of relaxes your mind. This is a very convenient and safe way to protect yourself against germs and diseases that actually enter our body through toilet seats. Certain precautions that I would ask you to take while using it. It's nothing major. Do not smoke while spraying. Keep away from sources of ignition, and this is meant for external use only, guys. Do not ingest or inhale. I'm sure you won't. It has to be stored in a cool place. One should not spray it on skin, eyes, burns, or open wounds. And for safety purpose, keep away from children. So yeah, if you ask me, I really love this product. It is a must have for everyone out there, I feel. And in case you're wondering, I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this product in the description box below. So yeah, go ahead and get it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any queries or questions, do leave them in the comment section, and also don't forget to leave your video recommendations in the comment section. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Mwah. Bye.